gruesome incident that has taken place in Andhra Pradesh, we are told. This is about a TDP worker, allegedly, who chopped the hands of YSRCP worker. So these are the details that are coming in from Andhra Pradesh. These are allegations that these are either supporters of the workers of different parties, that a TDP supporter worker chopped the hands of a YSRCP supporter worker. This hand chopping was in fact caught on camera, and of course we've blurred the visual for you, but this is to help you understand how political rivalry possibly can turn deadly. This is in Palnadu in Andhra Pradesh, and the disturbing news is that the worker whose hands were chopped, his name was Rashid, we are told, and he has succumbed to the injuries. He has died due to clearly the blood loss and the shock trauma of the incident. The TDP has said that the attacker by the name of Jalil and the victim were workers of different parties, but it's some political rivalry that led to this gruesome incident. Absolutely horrific. Apurva Jayachandran is joining me on this big story. Apurva, what exactly happened? This is crazy to say the least. And who are these members? What were they so angry about? And is the death confirmed of the man whose hands were chopped?
This incident is in not too yet, and from visuals there you can see how brutal King had taken this. In fact, what we are seeing there is Rashid and Jalil. Rashid was the one who was attacked by this person named Jalil. In fact, Palnadu SP there, he clearly goes on to state that this is a personal rivalry that had taken place. Parties and nothing affiliated to political parties is what the Palnadu SP says. In fact, what we are seeing is we are getting to know that Rashid had succumbed to his injuries. In that group video there, which is going viral right now on social media, you can see how both his arms were hacked off, and not only that, he had received brutal blows to the back of his neck as well by this person named Jalil. The TDP, in fact, has taken to Twitter and issued a statement saying that both, Rashid and Jalil belong to YSRCP then, and that they were in fact goons who worked under one YSRCP leader close to Jagan Mohan Reddy. That's what the TDP is putting on a record, that they've issued a statement. Meanwhile, the YSRCP has come out on this gruesome murder there, and also stated
horrifying. Yes, Apurva, what you're telling us, that how political rivalry can lead to such kind of attacks as well, perhaps is a reminder what leaders have to think about. Thank you very much for now, Apurva. I'll come back to you in just a short while, and perhaps the leaders would better give statements to ensure that the tempers are kept calm in these cases.